If you condemn the whole of your culture as you are a stupid idiot. So if you ask Ifa, you say it's a religion. Ekpeka said, Ifa is not a religion but contains religion. Ifa is not philosophy but contains philosophy. Ifa is not science but contains science and profound science. The mistake is to say that Ifa is pure religion. No. It's a record of Yoruba thought. They are recorded in different disciplines. And it has been discovered today that computer science is in Ifa. That particle physics, which has just been discovered in Europe, is there. There's a man in America, John Smith Jr. Particle physics is the latest development in Western science. It is in Ifa, which means Ifa is ahead of the West. And Ifa was in existence 500 years before Jesus Christ was born. Now, all we're asking, if you ask me, Orunmila, who is Socrates, please discover them. I'm not preaching. And to know with Orunmila, all you have to do, what did he say? And luckily for us, more than 15 people have documented the fine writing. Read what Socrates said and read what Orunmila said, and you make up your mind. There is a particular professor from Ghana. He said Africans must copy the Western man. That's why you are speaking English. I said, you want to be like them. But if I told us, if we have a nation like Africa or Yoruba, who believes that he must follow his enslaver, then we're in trouble. Somebody who came to enslave you, you want to take him as the ideal, and you want to make progress. Let me quote an Ifa that says that a nation that wants to have progress and turn its back to the front, how can you move? You want to go forward, but you are turning your face to the slavers. There is no absolutely bad culture. There is no absolutely bad, good culture. You must study culture to know what is positive and can be used for development. I know those ones you should throw away. If you condemn the whole of your culture as you are a stupid idiot. If you praise everything, you're a compound fool. All you need, study your culture, take the one that is good for progress, leave the one that is, but to say that Yoruba culture has nothing for the future, again, stupid idiot.